Cutting the rafter tail pattern is definitely some extra work that wouldn't bring any obvious structure-wise value to the patio cover project. However, I believe the decorative effects will make it worthwhile in the long run. To make my life easier, the most important thing to start with, apparently, is not to design your pattern too complicated. So this is the pattern I was going to put on my rafters. I tried to use whatever tools I had in my garage to create this pattern on my 2x8s. So here's a list: a power drill, a hole saw, a jigsaw, and a handsaw. I also used a circular saw because I had it, but it's not necessary. Please enjoy the video how I did it. Thank you!